Hi, this is Elias from Stealth Code. Yesterday we've launched a major update and we introduced the folders in content buckets. So a lot of you got a bit confused about how it is working and how you can utilize this new feature. What was the issue? The issue was that some members, some clients, they did the update and then they went to wizards to start running campaigns, and when they clicked on selecting a content bucket, they saw a blank space, which is completely understood. So today I'm going to explain to you, first of all, how the content bucket works, and secondly, what I prefer to do when I create content buckets and how I organize things. So speaking of organize things, this is the concept of content buckets, folders, to organize your stuff. So we see here that when you do the update and you go to content buckets, all of your existing content buckets will be placed by default in the uncategorized folder. So what you need to do, for example, you see here the content bucket. I have a client that does pool construction. So if, for example, I'm working on 3 keywords for this client: pool construction, spa construction, and pool tile replacement. So if I have 3 keywords for this client, I'm creating 3 content buckets because I want each keyword to have a specific and relevant article, and of course all of its content, short descriptions and comments and all that stuff. So now with the new update, what you can do and how you can utilize the new feature is to create a folder. And let's say that your client for pool construction is pool and spa. So I am creating the folder. Okay, here is the folder. It is empty now, but you can imagine the folder as your client. So I go here to uncategorize. I select the corresponding content buckets: pool construction, spa construction, pool tile replacement, that these content buckets belongs to this specific client. So I click on this item, move to folder, this button, move to folder. So here I will select the folder, pool and spa, and I move the content buckets. So I know from the beginning that, okay, I'm going to click on this client, so all my content buckets that they are attached to this client will be present here. Okay, imagine that in the previous, up to the previous versions, all your content buckets were here, and if you had, for example, 100 clients with 10 keywords each, you will end up with 1,000 content buckets. So you had to scroll down infinitely until you find what you are looking for. But now we are narrowing down your search for content buckets. So another example is, let's say that we have a client that does iPad repairs, iPhone repairs, and laptop repairs. So you understand that we cannot have a single article that will target for those 3 keywords, or maybe 5 or 4 or 6. So what we need to do is to create a content bucket that the content will be relevant to our targeted keywords. So I'm going to create a new folder, and let's say that this is Elias PC repairs, for example. Now what I want to do is to select the content buckets that corresponds to this specific client. I'm gonna click the move to folder button, select the folder, Elias PC repairs, move, boom. And you see here, oh, I have one for tactical gear. All right, I'm gonna create a folder, Elias Shooting Academy. This is my client, so I'm going to click on tactical gear and select a folder and move to the corresponding client. You can understand now, when you see the new structure, how beautiful and how organized are your things here, your content buckets here. They are organized by client or by niche. Okay, or you can organize things by location. So this is very, very important to have all your stuff organized and be able to really quickly find what you are looking for. And of course, you won't have a messy content bucket. So I hope that clarifies how you can use and utilize the new feature, the content bucket folder. Take advantage of this feature, because I'm telling you that you will have all your stuff organized, and even with clients that they have a lot of locations. So yeah, you can keep everything clean and according to your needs or your client's needs. So thanks for watching, and hope that clarifies everything.